Hi, this is Haley Thomas with John M. Campbell Petroskills, and I'm here with instructor Stu Watson to discuss fundamentals of pumps and compressor systems. Stu, how many days is the course and what locations is it held?
ME44 is a 5-day course, and we run that at locations here in the US, of course, Houston, Texas, Denver, Colorado, Orlando, Florida, as well London, UK, KL, Malaysia, Brisbane, Australia. This year for the first time in Rio de Janeiro, so we'll see how that one goes. I'm very excited.
What are some of the topics that are covered in the course?
ME44 is divided into 4 basic modules. We talk about pumps in Module 1, and that's positive displacement pumps as well as centrifugal pumps. And then we take what we learnt about centrifugal pumps and apply that to Module 2, centrifugal compressors. Module 3 is positive displacement compressors, recips and screw compressors. And then the 4th and final module is the drive equipment, the electric motor, the natural gas engine, or the gas turbine. In each of those modules, we look at, first off, we start by looking at what are the key components? How do they work inside? What do those mechanical seals look like? What do the bearings look like? All those kind of componentry aspects. And then we look at the basic thermodynamic calculations. What would a facility engineer need in order to troubleshoot or design? If he's trying to talk to a vendor, what are the calculations he's going to need to make? And the final section is some of the operation issues. What challenges they might get into when they're operating this piece of equipment, what are some of the failure modes or the troubleshooting activities. We also look at control strategies, which ones are better than others, that sort of thing.
Okay, great. And of those topics, is there anything that's ever a surprise to the participants?
Absolutely. I see repeatedly in the key learning points from the sessions, I think about pumps, and I would say everyone is surprised why it's important to operate near the best efficiency point. And we talk in depth about recirculation as well as why we try to operate near the BEP. And if I was to mention compressors, then I would say everyone's surprised by the importance of actual cubic feet per minute versus standard cubic feet per minute, because that's what actually turns up on the vendor chart. And so understanding that correlation is really important. A lot of people don't understand isentropic or polytropic head, and we try to break that down into simple terms as well. And I think people really appreciate that aspect as well.
Great. And one last question for you. As an engineer, why would I want to take the course and how would it help me further my career?
As a facility engineer trying to troubleshoot or monitor performance on a compressor, I actually try and really engage the participants so that they go back to their facility with tools to be able to monitor performance of their operating equipment. As a design engineer, they're going to be working with vendors, and we try to give them an increased sensitivity for things that they should look out for when they start talking to vendors and proposals and that sort of thing as they're going through those design roles. And they would be the key reasons for me to attend.
Okay, great. Thanks, Stu.
Thanks.